Welcome, I'm the Math Farmer. In this video, we shall discuss differentiation of algebraic functions. Yes, some of algebraic functions. For instance, we know probably before now, if you have watched my previous video where I introduced this. This is an algebraic function, y equals to ax raised to the power of what? N, where a and n are what? Integers. A here is the coefficient of x, while n here is the power of what? X. So now when we have this kind of function, to differentiate it, dy dx, that is differentiating y with respect to x, we now have use the power to multiply the coefficient, the power to multiply the coefficient, that is a n x here, then subtract 1, decrease it by 1, decrease the power by 1, that is minus 1 from it. So this is the method or the formula we can use to do that. Now, if you have a question in this way, if y equals to 1 over x squared, find dy dx. That's the question. So this is algebraic function. But for watch here, the algebraic function, what we have in the right hand side is a fractional form. We have to change it to ordinary form. Yes, we have to change it to ordinary form. So now what this thing implies is something as x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Reason, inverse. This one here, no, I think this is reciprocal law, inverse. Because of this one, that's why I have minus 1. So now this now give us something as x raised to the power of 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So we can now differentiate it in this way now. When it's in this way, you have to break it down to this form so that you can differentiate. And when you are done with differentiating, you take your answer back to this form. So now, look at what you are going to differentiate. Using the same method we used to differentiate it here, that means the power will multiply the coefficient. The power here is minus 2. What's the coefficient of x here is what? 1. So that means what you are going to have, dy dx is equals to minus 2 times 1 here, minus 2 times 1 x raised to the power of minus 2 minus 1. Remove 1 from the power. So now what you are going to have here is minus 2 times 1 is minus 2x. Then minus 2 minus 1 will give us minus 3. Yes. Now this is the result we get. We will differentiate this function. But you have to convert your answer, whatever you have as your answer, you have to convert it back to the fractional form that the question is initial in. So now, converting this is your answer, you have to convert it to that way again, that fractional form. So what we have here is something as 2 times x raised to the power of minus this. I think you know this and this is something. When you multiply, you go back to here, minus 2 times x raised to the power of 3. Now, what we have here is minus 2 times this minus here now, negative power law means inverse of x raised to the power of what? 3. This, because of this minus, means inverse, reciprocal of this x raised to the power of 3. So now what you are going to have, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 on over divided by x raised to the power of 3. So that is your final result here. When we differentiate, y equals to 1 over x squared, we are going to get minus 2 divided by x raised to the power of 3. Thank you for watching. Do well to follow my social media pages on Facebook, Math Farmer, Instagram, Math Farmer, TikTok, Math Farmer. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, Math Farmer 2. Don't forget that this video is proudly powered by USA Tutorial Center. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class. Bye bye.